February. So we're going to start out watching about our month of the year. So everybody sit up, ready to listen. Okay.
Miss Wood. Miss Wood.
Yes, darling.
I love you.
I love you too, Pumpkin. I'm so glad to
You're
see
the best teacher ever.
Oh, you are so sweet. I love you guys. I love my class. What have you got? Brody, you got all kinds of things this morning. That's not your breakfast, is it? Miss Wood's being silly, isn't she?
Is he having squash for breakfast?
I don't think so. Okay. Let Miss Wood find what she needs to find. I don't know what is wrong with my computer again this morning.
Wait, is that green slime supposed to be barf? No.
Okay, hold on, boys and girls. This thing is doing some weird stuff again. Oh, okay, here we go. I think we got it now. Okay, boys and girls. What is wrong with Jack Hartman here? Here he goes. Okay.
Stand up.
Well, here we go.
Yes, I can. I can see it.
Can you spell it?
I think it's supposed to be barf out of the yellow thing. I still can. It's still solid. I still can see it. Yes, I can. Yes, I would. I see you.
Woohoo, you guys. Okay, so I think we need to get started on our calendar since we just learned a lot about February, didn't we? A lot about February. Okay, let Miss Wood.
I couldn't really hear it, so I didn't learn that much about it because I couldn't hear.
Oh, goodness gracious. Hold on. I don't know what's wrong with Miss Wood's computer again. Good gracious. Okay. Looks like something is. Okay, here we go. What is written on my computer? Can y'all see that on there?
Yeah.
Scribbly. I don't know how in the world it got scribbly there. That's crazy.
Okay.
Me and my sister say money.
Oh boy, good for you. Okay, boys and girls, what in the world is going on today?
This is the sign look like egg.
I think this is a crazy day for some reason. Here we go, hopefully. It looks like a crazy 8. Okay, so what month is it, everybody? February. What year is it, boys and girls?
February.
The year is 2000 and what? 21. Okay, I want you to say the days of the week with me. Ready?
Sunday,
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, raise your hand if you can tell me what day of the week it is. Who can tell me what day of the week it is? What day of the week is it, Camilla?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. How many Tuesdays in February? Sadie, how many Tuesdays in February?
4.
It is 4. You're right. Okay, let's see what it says.
Today is Tuesday, February 9th.
That squiggle is still on there.
That's okay. It's still on
Lord,
there.
it's on my dad's birthday.
What is today's date? What's the number? What is today's date? Raise your hand if you know. What today's date? What number on the calendar is it for today? Raise your hand if you know. What day is it, Mason? Is it the 2nd, the 9th, the 16th, or the 23rd?
4 days until my birthday.
What is it, Mason?
7 more days until my birthday.
Okay. Today is the 9th, isn't it? It is the 2nd Tuesday. In 1 week, it will be Liam's birthday. Okay, I'm going to put Tuesday up there.
Tuesday.
I'm going to put the 9th up there.
With wood.
Yes.
With wood.
Yes, dear.
I have Tuesday for my dad's birthday.
Oh, boy. When is your dad's birthday?
Thursday, 11 2000.
Okay.
I don't know what's this year. In
Oh.
February, Thursday, 11.
Oh, okay. Well, you know lots of people with birthdays in February, don't you?
Well,
Okay.
I tried to change it for my dad.
Oh, that's so sweet. That's very sweet. Your dad will like that. Okay, so we said Liam's birthday is on the 16th. So I'm going to move this to the 16th there. Okay. Now, let's see here. Who is going to put the background on this morning?
No, because
Brody, which background do you want for our calendar this morning?
But I'm wearing a jacket.
Okay, let's all be really quiet so I can hear Brody.
Somehow I don't.
Brody, which one would you like?
Maxwell, I'm closing the door.
I can't hear you. Got to talk louder.
Maxwell, closing the door.
Do you want the groundhog, the Valentine? Let's see.
Closing the door,
Groundhog.
Maxwell. I want to hurt you.
Okay, somebody's talking and I can't hear him. Do you want the snow one, the Valentine's, the groundhog, or the flag, Brody? Which one, Brody? Valentine's. Okay, because Valentine's is the 14th of February. Let's count and see how many days till Valentine's Day. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days till Valentine's. 7 days until Liam's birthday. Okay.
How about my dad's birthday?
Yay! You did great
How
on
about
the
my dad's
calendar.
birthday?
Goodbye.
Okay.
Miss Wood,
Yes, dear.
tomorrow will be the one day to be my dad's birthday.
Yes, it will,
Oh,
won't it?
happy.
Yes. Good morning,
And we're
Liam.
going to celebrate.
Okay. Now, look at Miss Wood. Everybody look at Miss Wood. we've got to sit really still and quiet right now. Okay? Look at Miss Wood. Because what I'm getting ready to go over in math, remember today's math day, is very important. And I need you to really listen. Okay? Really listen. So sit very still, looking at the screen and not wiggling, okay? Okay. Mrs. Wood is going to show you today what a fact family is.
Okay.
Okay? A fact family in math has 3 numbers. So I'm going to write down 3 numbers right here. Okay? I'm going to write down a 3. Wait, you can't see that very good. I don't know why it's very blurry today. Okay, there we go. A 3, and I'm going to put a 2 and a 5. Okay, because look right here. If I have 3 triangles, and then I have 2 circles, that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes in all, doesn't it? I can write an adding problem for that. Thank you if you're looking here. I can put the 3 plus the 2 equals 5 shapes in all. Guess what? I can turn that around though. I can put the 2 first. 2 circles plus 3 triangles equals 5 shapes in all, doesn't it? Okay, this is called a fact family. And a fact family has 4 people in their family. This is the brother, this is the sister, and they're adding problems, aren't they? Now, I'm going to show you the mom and the dad. Okay, if we were to take 5 shapes in all and take away those 2 circles, how many shapes do we have left? 3. We have the 3 triangles left. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. That's the daddy. Let's look at the mama. That's the 4th fact. We take all of the shapes. This time, we're not going to take away the circles. We're going to take away the triangles. And that equals, if we have 5 shapes, we take away the triangles. We have the circles left. We have 2. So this is our fact family, boys and girls. We have a brother, we have a sister, we have a mom, a dad, and we have a mom in the fact family. Now look at these. All of these problems here have the same numbers in them. Okay, watch as I circle them. All the problems have a 3. All the problems have a 2. And all the problems have a 5.
1.
When you have a fact family, they have to have the same numbers in every one. They're just in a different order. Okay? Did you watch your videos yesterday about the fact families?
Yeah.
Yes, good. Okay, let me show you another one. I bet everybody's being a good listener. Okay, I'm gonna have a 5, I'm gonna have an 8, and I'm gonna have a 3. So let's look. If I have 5 circles, I'm gonna have 8 squares. I love how still and quiet you're being. And I'm gonna have 3 triangles. Okay, now remember, a fact family has 2 adding problems and 2 subtracting problems. All fact families has 2 adding and 2 subtracting. When you add, you've got to add the smallest numbers, okay? What's the smallest numbers up there?
5 and 3.
Right, 5 and 3. So we would do 5 plus 3 equals what?
8.
8. It equals in all, okay? So the biggest number goes last when you're writing an adding problem. Now, you got to switch these numbers around. That was the brother. To make the sister, you got to switch them around. What's the other smallest number?
3.
3. So this time you would put the 3 first. 3 plus what?
5.
5. Good job, whoever's answering. Equals how many in all again?
8.
8. See, when you're doing adding, you have the same answer for both of them. The highest number goes at the end. Now we're going to make the daddy. What's the biggest number? We're making a subtraction problem, so the biggest number has to go first. What's the biggest number? 8. Take away these 5 equals how many left?
3.
3. Right. Now we're going to write the mama, but the mama's got to have the biggest number again too. What's the biggest number?
8.
8 again. But this time we're not going to subtract 5. We're going to subtract how many?
3.
3 equals what? 8. Take away 3 equals what? 5.
5.
Now, to see if we got a fact family, we've got to see if we have all the numbers in them. Okay? Got to see if we have it. The first thing we want to check and see, do we have a 5 in all of them? Here's
Yes.
a 5. Here's a 5. Here's a 5. And here's a 5. Okay? Then we got to check and see if we have an 8. Here's an 8.
Yes.
Here's an 8. Here's an 8. Here's an 8. Then we got to check and see if we got a 3. Here's a 3. Here's a 3. Here's a 3.
Yes.
Here's a 3. We've
Yes.
got all the members of the fact family, don't we?
Yes.
Sometimes you don't have pictures with them, do you? Sometimes you might not have any pictures, so you have to just do it with the numbers. Let's see if we can do one with the numbers. Let's do one more, okay? Look at the numbers here. I've got a 1. Blurry, isn't it? Okay. We have a 1, we have a 9, and we have a 10. And remember, all fact families have 2 adding and 2 subtracting. So I'm going to put my little things here so that I'll remember that when I'm writing my fact families. I'm going to put my blanks. Okay. Now, remember when you're adding, the smallest numbers go first. Okay?
One.
You tell me what the smallest numbers are.
I actually had
What are the smallest numbers, everybody?
1.
1. So you would do 1 plus 9 equals what?
9. 10.
10. Good job. Now, we're going to switch these numbers around. What am I going to say first?
9.
9 plus what?
1.
1 equals what?
1 and 10.
10. Good job, you guys. Smart. Okay, now we're going to write a subtraction problem. Remember, when you write the subtraction, the biggest number has to go first. So what number am I going to write first?
10.
10. Smarties. 10 minus what?
No.
Okay, I've used 10, so I got to use another number. Minus 9 equals what?
1.
1. Good job. Okay, now I've got to write another subtraction. It's going to be the same number. You got to write your biggest number first. But this time I'm not going to subtract 9. I'm going to subtract what?
1.
1 equals what?
All upside down.
9.
9.
So there's, we got to check our fact family. Let's see. Okay, we're supposed to have a 1 in each one. Let's see. 1, 1, 1, 1. Let's see if we have a 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. And what's the last one? 10.
10.
10, 10, 10, 10. Yeah. You got it, didn't you? Yes, you guys. That is our fact families. Fact families, they're kind of fun, but they can be hard too if you don't pay attention and know what you're doing, but they're kind of fun to me. So that's what we're going to be doing today in math.
One.
Okay?
Next one.
Can everybody listen? Somebody's yelling. Somebody's, I think, in their house there. Okay. Can you get a piece of paper and something to write with real quick?
Yeah.
Okay? Get a piece of paper and something to write
Hey,
with.
I need a piece of paper to write with. And that one. Thank you. I'm going to the next page on this. I'm just here to start. I'm back. One.
Okay. When you come back on your piece of paper, I want you to write just like Miss Wood's writing on hers here, okay? I want you to write
Okay.
blank plus blank equals blank. Okay?
Okay. Equals. Okay.
Okay? Do another one. Blank plus blank equals blank.
Blank.
Just like Miss Wood's doing.
Equals. Okay.
Okay. Okay, then write a subtraction one. Blank minus blank equals blank.
Minus blank equals blank. Okay.
And
Then
then
we
one
do
more
another one.
subtraction. Blank minus blank equals blank. So you got 2 adding and 2 subtraction. And then I'm going to wait till everybody can catch up. Okay?
I'm done.
Okay. When you're done, put your hands on your head so I know you're finished writing that.
I'm just writing what's on the paper, not the numbers.
Yeah, don't write any numbers yet because you don't know what numbers we're going to put in there.
No, we don't.
Don't know
But
yet,
we're
do we?
smart.
No.
But we are smart.
You are very smart. Very smart. I'm proud of you. Okay, Aiden's ready. Liam's ready. Sadie's ready. Camilla's ready. Mason's ready. D'Angela's is almost ready. Good job. I like how quiet you're waiting, how you're sitting still, and being patient for everybody. Now we're ready. Good job. You can take your hands off your head now. Okay, I'm going to write 3 numbers up here, and then we're going to write a fact family, okay? Okay, I'm going to write a 4. I'm going to write a 5, and I'm going to write a 9. Can you write me an adding problem on your paper using those numbers? Everybody write me an adding problem. Everybody write me an adding problem. Boy, I see you working hard. Now let's switch the numbers around. Switch those 2 smaller numbers around and write me another adding problem. Can you write me another adding problem?
Guess what? I already did it.
Good. Remember, your answer is going to be 9 for both of them because the biggest number is your answer.
Done. Done.
Okay, now we're going to write a subtracting problem. Can you write me one subtracting problem? Remember, the biggest number is going to go first when you subtract. Write me your subtraction problem.
I'm not done yet.
That's okay. Take your time, sweetheart.
And oh,
Okay, when you finish that one, take your time. Write me another subtraction problem. Remember, you're going to have 9, your biggest number again, but you're going to switch those two numbers around. This number's going to go over here. This number's going to be the answer.
this one
And
already
when
did.
you're done, put your hands on your head.
Oh, you know exactly what to do, didn't you, Liam? That's right. Put your hands on your head when you're finished writing all your fact family. Wow, y'all are fast.
Because we're fast smarties.
A lot of people, yes, you're fast, Smarties. A lot of people like to do fact families. Once you get the hang of it, it's easy. Okay, you take your hands down and watch. Okay, you put the two smallest numbers first. 4 and 5 are the smallest. Now, it's okay if you wrote 5 first. Okay, the next one, you're going to switch them around. Put 5 here, put 4 here. So you can have these either one. You could have this one on the top line or this one, just so you've got this one written somewhere. It's okay. It could be the one written down here. You got to have 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Subtracting 9, we're going to take away the 4 equals 5. And then you switch the numbers around. 9 minus 5 equal 4. And it's okay if you've got this one up here and this one down here. It's okay. It doesn't matter which order you write them in, as long as you have all 4 of them. Okay? And I'm going to look and see if I've got them all. I have a 4 in each one of them. Then I got to look and see if I have a 5 in each one of them. And I got to see if I have a 9 in each one of them. So, how did you do writing your fact family? Did you do good? Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just takes a
I
little
messed up on
practice.
some.
But then you will get really, really fast at it after you have a little practice with it. You did a great job. Great job. Okay, yes, Liam,
I messed up on some.
you did. It's okay if you messed up. We're just practicing, aren't we? We're just learning how to do them. Make sure you watch the videos that are on your math today, okay? Make sure you do that. Make sure on your writing today, you watch the writing video on how to do this all about writing, okay? Watch the video so
Okay.
you know what to do. You guys were doing an excellent job when I looked yesterday on your taking notes on the web. You guys did a good job. That's kind of fun learning about your animal, isn't it? That's kind of neat seeing those pictures and learning. Yes, Angeliza?
And I have only 2 pages in math.
Oh, good for you. Okay, good. Camilla? Yes, ma'am?
I don't know what should I get for my dad's birthday.
Oh, what are you making there? Did you drop? Oh, that's so nice of you. Your daddy's going to love it, isn't he?
What is that?
My dad is in work, and he come back at 6 o'clock of the middle of the night.
Oh, okay. So he has to work all day, huh? Well, yeah, we have to make money to pay our bills, don't we? That's right. Yep. Okay, so y'all get busy and work super duper hard today. And tomorrow I'll see you, and we're going to do a little bit of math and a little bit of reading tomorrow. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for being good listeners. I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sweetheart. Bye-bye.